Hey, what's up, everybody? So today I'm going to teach you how to get some coupons on TEMU. There are a lot, by the way, of coupons that you can avail on TEMU. For example, right here, we have a add two items to get 10,000 peso coupon bundle. So we can click get now. And what we do here is we just add two items. So let's add this one. Then let's add this one. And then, of course, to get that voucher, you're going to need to enter your information here and then proceed to payment. Another way to get the voucher is to head on to orders and account. See here, we have coupons here already, coupons and offer. So this is a coupon that you can use. You can use this code FAV87145 to avail a 30% off on orders that are above 1,200 all the way up to 1,500 pesos. So if you have items or if you have orders that costs around 1,200 to 1,500, you can definitely use this coupon. At the same time, you may also want to check the seller's exclusive coupon for specific items. So if the seller has coupons available for the items that you purchased, you can definitely check it out here. Another way to get coupons is through the TEMU affiliate program. Now, if you're not yet part of the affiliate program, I do suggest that you join this program because number one, it has a 10% commission, meaning for every item that is sold on the affiliated or the items that you promote online, you can get a 10% commission. So, for example, if we go here in hot items, you'll see here that you can get a 107 peso commission for this multifunctional faucet. Now, in terms of coupons, referrals can get 2,000 peso coupon bundle. That's around $40, $40 to $50. You can get free gifts. At the same time, you can get exclusive deals, and of course, you can save big. You may also be able to get coupons via the invite affiliate. So here you can get money and actual commission percentages and whatnot. So that's how you can have coupons for your items and at the same time for your purchases. So either you go through the orders and accounts, you check if the seller has coupons available, or you join the affiliate program. You may also want to check out websites online. They often have promos and coupons posted online as well. Hope this video was able to help you out, and if it did, please do hit the like and of course the subscribe button for more videos like this only here on Talk Help Guide.